Okay, these are the last probability questions for paper 1, 2022, Fishhook High School. And here we go. This is a tree diagram. There's a person here. He either walks or cycles to school. When he cycles, the probability he's on time is 0.9. But if he walks, the probability he's on time is 0.8. He cycles to school 40% of the time. So I just made C for cycle, W for walk. So if he cycles, it's 0.4. Then if he walks, it has to be the rest of the probability, which is 60%, 0.06. There's the first part of my tree. Now, if he cycles, there's two things that can happen. He can be on time or he can be late. Well, he's got a 90% chance of being on time. That means a 10% chance of being late. If he walks, he's got an 80% chance of being on time. If he walks, the probability he's on time is 80%. That means a 20% chance of being late. Well, there's your tree all done for the first 2 marks. Now they say, the next question is, what's the chance that person's going to be late? Well, there's 2 ways you can be late. You can walk and be late, or you can cycle and be late. And all you do is multiply down the tree. 0.4 times 0.1 plus 0.6 times 0.2. And you'll get, when you add those 2 things together, you'll get 4/25, which is equal to 0.16 or a 16% chance. So yeah, I just did it on my calculator. I guess if you're good at fractions, you can do it. Be good too. But that's it. Okay, let's look at the last question. There's a study conducted in an airport, a couple of airports, in order to determine whether planes are departing late. Okay, here's the table. These are the people being late at OR and Lanseria. These are people on time. There's totals for OR, totals going down this way. There's totals late, there's totals on time, and there's a total number of flights that they looked at here. If a plane, these are all planes, yeah. So if a plane is chosen at random, determine the probability that the plane's going to depart late. Well, you're going to need all of the lates divided by the total number of planes. And that's it. There you go. You just go 262 over 1053. And that fraction is good enough for your answer. That's it. What's the probability of the plane departing from OR to airport? Well, there's 514 planes out of 10,053 planes altogether. So it's like a 48% chance, but this fraction is the probability. The last probability is actually called conditional probability, but the probability of a plane departing on time, given that it departs from Lanseria. Well, if it's going to depart from Lanseria, then that must be 539 there. And on time is 427. So there's your fraction. Hey, that wasn't too bad. I hope people did pretty well on that question. And that's the end of this exam.